Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Ring Doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi during setup. So in order to fix it, the best method that I can give you is to simply reset your Ring Doorbell. So in order to reset it, you just have to simply remove its cover and then press the reset button and hold it for around 20 seconds. After that, you will be able to see the light flashing. So you just have to wait until it turns off. Once it is turns off blinking, it simply means that you have successfully reset your Ring doorbell, and now you just have to try to set up it with the Wi-Fi and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then you can directly seek help from the Ring customer service. For that, come to ring.com, and here you need to click on help. That would be in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you can choose the option that would say contact us, and it will show you bunch of different methods with the help of which you can contact them, like with the help of chat, call, and you can even ask any questions in the Ring community. So you just have to select any of the options as per your convenience, and you can ask them what you need to do if you face this type of error. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.